Select any region of the screen to analyze its color values in vectorscope. You can hover the mouse over vectorscope to see where exactly are these colors located on the image. It remembers selected region for each application. So you can simply switch between applications, and the vectorscope will be automatically updated. You can set primary and secondary colors. The harmonious colors, such as complementary, or analogous colors, will be displayed over the vectorscope. This way you can easily adjust colors in Photoshop to make them more harmonious. When you move mouse over the screen, you can see in vectorscope the location of that color under the cursor.